In this video, I will share with you the top 5 best steam mops in 2024, putting them through their paces and providing you with an honest review of their features, performance, and overall value. Number 1. Reliable Steamboy Pro 300 CU Steam Mop with Scrub Brush. Pros: powerful steam, large water tank, versatile with scrub brush attachment, easy to maneuver. Cons: heavy on the side compared to some models, a bit bulky for tight spaces. This mop packs a punch with its powerful steam, tackling even stubborn stains with ease. The large water tank ensures extended cleaning sessions without refilling, and the scrub brush attachment makes quick work of caked-on messes. While maneuverability is good, its size might not be ideal for cleaning under furniture or in cramped areas. Number 2. Shark S1000 Steam Mop. Pros: lightweight, easy to use, affordable, swivel head for better reach. Cons: smaller water tank, limited steam settings, may not be as effective on heavily soiled surfaces. This lightweight and user-friendly mop is a great choice for quick cleaning tasks. Its swivel head allows for easy navigation around furniture, and the affordable price point makes it a budget-friendly option. However, the smaller water tank requires frequent refills, and the limited steam settings might not be sufficient for heavily soiled floors. Number 3. Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner. Pros: multifunctional, powerful steam, various attachments for diverse cleaning needs, long cord. Cons: pricey, can be heavy, requires some assembly. This versatile steam cleaner goes beyond just mopping floors. It comes with various attachments for cleaning windows, grout, upholstery, and even car interiors. The powerful steam tackles a wide range of cleaning tasks, and the long cord offers plenty of reach. However, the price tag is on the higher end, and the unit itself can be on the heavier side. Some assembly is also required. Number 4. Bissell Symphony Pet All-in-One Vacuum and Sanitizing Steam Mop. Pros: vacuums and steams simultaneously, ideal for pet owners, lightweight swivel head. Cons: smaller water tank, limited steam settings, may not be suitable for large areas. This innovative mop combines vacuuming and steaming in one convenient tool, making it perfect for pet owners who battle pet hair and messes. Its lightweight design and swivel head ensure effortless cleaning, but the smaller water tank limits cleaning time, and the steam settings might not be strong enough for deeply ingrained dirt. Number 5. Black & Decker Steam Mop. Pros: affordable, lightweight, easy to use, variable steam settings. Cons: smaller water tank, limited cleaning reach, may not be as durable as some other options. This affordable mop offers a simple and user-friendly cleaning experience. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, and the variable steam settings allow for customization based on cleaning needs. However, the smaller water tank requires frequent refilling, and the cleaning reach may be limited for larger spaces. Additionally, concerns have been raised about the mop's long-term durability compared to some competitors.